In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collection tabs in Shopify with no app. By the end, you'll have a reusable section you can drop into your theme to switch between collections with clean, clickable tabs, all without installing anything extra. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and heading to Online Store, then Themes. We'll work inside your theme area. Before touching any code, open the Themes Options menu by clicking the three dots next to your current theme and create a duplicate. This gives you a safe copy to edit so your live storefront is protected if you need to roll back. Once the duplicate is ready, open its options menu again and choose Edit Code. You're now in the code editor. On the left sidebar, open the Sections folder. We're going to create a brand new section for the tabs. Click Add a new section and name it Collection Tabs Liquid. Use lowercase and hyphens and avoid spaces to keep things clean and consistent. Next, create the code in this file. The structure typically includes three parts. First, HTML for the tab buttons and the tab panels. Think of a wrapper, a row of tab buttons, and a content area that shows products from each collection. Second, liquid logic to loop through the collections or blocks you want to show. This is where you'll output collection titles for the tabs and render product cards for the active tab. Third, a bit of CSS and lightweight JavaScript. The CSS hides and shows panels and styles the active tab. The JavaScript handles the click behavior, so when someone selects a tab, it activates the matching panel and deactivates the others. Keep your class names clear and add comments so it's easy to update later. If you already have a code snippet prepared from a trusted source, paste it into the file now. Make sure it includes a schema at the bottom of the section. The schema lets you surface settings in the theme editor, like choosing which collections to display and setting tab labels. If your code includes inline styles or scripts, place them within the section so everything travels together. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. You've created a dedicated section for collection tabs inside your theme's code. Because you worked in a duplicate theme, you can preview and adjust styling, spacing, and behavior with confidence. Keep your code commented, test responsiveness on mobile, and aim for minimal JavaScript to keep your store fast. Once you're happy, you can move forward with using this section wherever your theme supports it.